If you want to build a strong career in investment banking, equity research, or corporate finance, you need more than just theoretical knowledge. You need both financial concepts and practical analytical skills. And that's where a powerful combination comes in: financial modeling and CFA Level 1. But why is this combination considered so powerful for finance professionals? Let's find out. Hello everyone, and welcome to CFI Education. In this video, we will understand what financial modeling is, what CFA Level 1 teaches, and why combining these two can significantly strengthen your finance career. So, let's get started. 1. Understanding CFA Level 1. The CFA program is one of the most respected certifications in the global finance industry. CFA Level 1 focuses on building a strong foundation in finance and investment analysis. It covers important subjects such as financial reporting and analysis, corporate finance, equity investments, fixed income, derivatives, economics, portfolio management, ethics, and professional standards. These topics help students develop a deep conceptual understanding of financial markets and investment principles. However, CFA primarily focuses on theoretical knowledge and analytical frameworks. 2. The importance of financial modeling. This is where financial modeling becomes extremely valuable. Financial modeling is a practical finance skill used by professionals to analyze a company's financial performance and estimate its future value using Excel. Through financial modeling, analysts build models such as three-statement financial models, cash flow projections, discounted cash flow (DCF) valuation models, business and company valuation models. These skills are widely used in investment banking, corporate finance, and equity research roles. 3. Why this combination is powerful. When you combine CFA Level 1 knowledge with financial modeling skills, you gain a major advantage. You are able to understand financial concepts deeply, analyze financial statements efficiently, understand supporting concepts like economics, derivatives, quantitative methods, progress towards a long-term master-level qualification. This combination makes you highly competitive for roles such as investment banking analyst, equity research analyst, financial analyst, corporate finance professional. At CFI Education, our programs focus on both strong financial knowledge and practical industry skills, helping students prepare for real-world finance careers. If you are serious about building a career in finance, combining financial modeling with CFA Level 1 can be a powerful step forward. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video, comment your thoughts, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel for more finance and career-related content. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.